It's not the way for me, only a mile to go. Somewhere I belong, I'll see it clearer now. I'm learning the path as I go. Everybody knows it's spoken.
We need 2 cars coming through. Got that. Hold your bike over to this side so traffic can come through. Right?
What do you need, Chris?
Yeah.
Anything?
Okay, Chris went down in the ditch. We got his bike running. It's pretty dinged up. He's feeling pretty bad. Thinks he might have dislocated his shoulder. We're gonna take a long break and assess the situation. Yeah, he hammered right into the ditch. His whole front screen smashed.
Well, the ride definitely has not started like we thought we would. So far, Chris possibly has a broken collarbone. Just got out here riding to the middle of nowhere to the highest point that I could get to try and get cell phone service and get our support truck back to the road. And we're going to try and give Chris a ride out and ride his bike out and get him back to where he can get medical attention if he needs it, or figure out what's going on.
It's spoken on the radio. There is a truth in the lies.
Loading day, getting ready to get all the bikes up into the trailer. We've got everybody here, getting all of our stuff packed up. What do you say, George?
Hey, Idaho!
You ready?
Idaho!
You ready?
In there.
Yeah.
Didn't leave you twice. There's no tomorrow here. I feel I'm all out of time. So tell me you stay behind. Make sure I get to the end. I hope you can see in the dark.
So we are right now about 12 hours from getting on a flight heading to Idaho. A couple of us in the group, the 3 Eagle Scouts, we like being prepared, and part of being prepared was making sure that our facial hair is exactly what it needs to be.
We're getting ready to make our journey out to Idaho. Tell you what though, we're going to get our facial hair cleaned up. We've been growing it out for a while now. We're going with some mutton chops. Look out, Idaho.
Looking good, looking good.
It takes just a little spark to fill up my head with the lights.
Walking into the airport Friday morning, getting ready to do 8 hours on a plane, heading to Idaho.
Idaho, baby.
We're on day 1, getting everything together.
Getting loaded up.
Got saddlebags getting packed down. Bikes are almost ready to hit the road.
This one? This one?
First day rolling out, day 1.
See you, Dennis.
Yeah.
Learning the path as I go. Everybody knows it's spoken on the radio. There is a truth in the lies.
taking our first break of the day, day one. We had to make up some time. Tell you what, we had some dusty trails, find a nice little place to get gas, which we greatly needed. We got maybe 70 miles left. What do you say there, Big Money?
Got yeah, a lot of riding left to do, and it's 5:30.
We'll get there around 10, I hope.
This is camp for the first night of the BDR. We're at Loman.
Oh yeah.
Here at camp, getting everything together for day 2. We had our incident yesterday with broken collarbone, and so we are working on getting all the bikes prepped and getting everything together, ready for today.
220 miles. We'll get an early start.
That's right.
It'll be good.
That's right.
Every singer needs a song. Every bell cries out to be around. Every dog wanna wag its tail. Life ain't nothing but a pilgrim trail. Every message needs a dove, and everything grows with a drop of love. We're all hanging on tooth and nail. It's a rocky road, this pilgrim trail. Pilgrim trail, pilgrim trail. Sometimes heaven, sometimes hell. Pilgrim trail, pilgrim trail. Let's meet up down the pilgrim trail.
We just got to Yellow Pine. We had to call somebody to get gas. It is $9 a gallon. Woo! Tell you what, halfway through day 2, doing good. Yellow Pine's a pretty little town. Okay, we're here in Yellow Pine. It's 3 o'clock on day 2. We're gonna stop and get some food at the corner pub.
Every wind longs for a sail, like every campfire needs a tale. We're on this freight train going down the rail, together on this pilgrim trail. Pilgrim trail, pilgrim trail. Sometimes heaven, sometimes hell. Pilgrim trail, pilgrim trail. Where everything is up for sale. Pilgrim trail, pilgrim trail. Let's meet up down the pilgrim trail.
Day three, rolling out.
Things ready to go.
Sunday morning. Supposed to be a shorter ride today.
Let's do it. Yeah.
Tell you what, Idaho.
Got
Woo!
Got a shorter ride today, less mileage, but a couple hero sections.
Heroes, baby.
Forward to it.
We're here on day 3, leaving from Island Bar, and are headed out.
1, 2, 3. You okay?
Yep, fine. It went down ridiculously so.
Just got to Elk City. We're staying in a pretty cool cabin. We got a shower in. We got a gourmet meal with tables, electricity.
Ross.